Hello CMA students, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. So in this video, I will gather this problem from the mock test papers. So please refer, you already downloaded. So from the institute material, whatever you have. So let's begin. This is today's problem based on contract costing. This is so based on this contract costing. So contract costing based on this is the contract costing given in the mock test papers for upcoming examinations. So let's practice this. What is the answer? What is the correct option? Contract number 145 comments on 1st March on plant from Central Stores was delivered to this site. The book value of the book value of the plant was delivered is 4,20,000. On 1st July, further plant was delivered of rupees 30,000. Company policy is to be depreciate all plant and at the rate of 20%. So of the book value of the each year, so depreciation to be charged to the contract number is 145 for the year ending 31st December. So we need to calculate the depreciation charge to the particular contract. What is the depreciation charge for the particular contract? So already book value is given. So we need to calculate depreciation here. So total book value of plant is book value of plant is 4,20,000. So 4,20,000. So 4,20,000 is the book value. So and the further plant was delivered with a book value. So further next plant is delivered. So next plant is delivered. Plant is delivered is 30,000. So depreciation is charged is 20%. So 20%. Depreciation is charged all the company policy depreciation all plant at the rate of 20%. So 20% of the book value of the each year. So each year we calculate depreciation 20% of the book value. So book value is 5,20,000 first plant, and the second plant we will 30,000. So now we will calculate what is the depreciation charge for the year ending 31st December 2020. 31st December. So no year mentioned here. So simply we assume whatever you have. So 1st July, contract was commenced, which plant was Central Stores 1st March. So 1st March is contract was commenced, and the first plant was purchased on 4/20, and second for the total time period is March. We got so we got March, April, May, and June, July. So that is we call 6 months. So 1st July will not taken into the consideration. So 30th June we taken into the consideration here. So 1st March to 30th June. So that is 6 months. On 31st July we calculated 30 book further plant will be delivered with the book value 30,000. So first of all we calculated here 4,20,000. That is the first. So first we calculated first value, book value is plant and machinery. So 4,20,000 into 4,20,000. How much? That is 6 months. 4,20,000. Calculator yourself in our calculator. 4,20,000 into 5 into 6 months into 6 by 12. 6 by 12. 6 by 12 into 20%. So 20%. So same 4,20,000 is given. So that's why we calculated book value of 30%. To 30,000. So 4,60,000. 4,20,000 6 months time period divided by 6. We got 4,20,000 into 6 by 12. So first book value is 4,20,000 into 6 by, just simple calculation, 4,20,000 divided by 20% divided by, so into 6 by 12. Sorry, it's wrong. 4,20,000 into 6 by 12. How much you got your answer to tell me? So we see here 4,20,000 divided how much plant will be used here? 6 months. So 6 by, so simply 6 divided by 6, that is equal to 70,000. So another book value, another plant was additional purchase, that is 30,000. Here we see here 5, that is equal to 20%. The book value is all given in the second 15,000, 20%. So we calculated 5 by, so 30,000 book value we got into 5 by 12. So let's say 6 by 12, 30,000 into 6 by 12 into 20%. So 15,000, and then we got 20% depreciation on the second book value. That is my asked in the question here. You see, company policy is to depreciate all plant at the rate of 20%. So all plant will be 20. All the plant will be at the rate of 20%. So all plant will be depreciation at 20%. All plant will be depreciation at 20%. So we hopefully clear. Once again, I repeat the problem here. Contract number 145 commenced on 1st March on the plant, and from central stores was delivered at to site. So delivery with plant at site is book value of the plant was already new 4,20,000 from March to 31st June. That is 6 months: March, April, May, June. So 5 months. So 5 months used machinery. So on 1st July, so 6 months used here. So 6 by 12, that is 4,20,000. So 4,20,000 into 6 by 12. 42,000, so into 6 that's 20,000 divided by 6 months used. So we got 70,000. So we got 70,000 for old machinery. So next only the depreciation rate for book value of each year. Now the company policy has changed. The plant was delivered for the book value of rupees 30,000. So we need to add it. So both already new plant was delivered at 1st March until 1st July. The further plant was delivered. So book value. So we need to add with the book value. So total we got add 73,000. So second we calculated depreciation here. So first of all we calculated plant how much plant is used. So first plant is 4,20,000. How many months? 6 months. So we got 70,000. 70,000. After that the additional plant on 1st July. So 1st July single month. So we need to calculate book value. So book value is, so as per the book value of the contract is 30,000 divided by, so 5 months here. So 30,000. So 30,000. If any doubts, comment below. 30,000 into 5 months used machinery from 1st July. So 5 by 12. 5 by 30,000 into, sorry, 30, that directly we calculate 30,000 into 5 by 12. Do 20%. So no need to calculate. So here. So here not given. So we need to calculate directly as per the months. So 30,000 divided by 5. We got 15,000. So by 30,000 into 5. So 30,000 into 6 by 6 by 12, 6, so here, so I'm sorry, the 30,000 into 6 by 12, that is equals to 30,000 into half, 6 by 12, we got 15,000. So now the book value is given. Now we will call at the rate of 20% depreciation. So depreciation we got so first already build installed depreciation already given. So 6 months used, so 42,000 divided by 6 months used machinery. So second option here. So now we calculate based on book value. So the book value is 30,000. Second additional machinery. See, this one's also got 6 months used. So book value that is equal to 18,000. And then 20%. We got 3,000. So total we got 70,000. So 70,000. I hope you will clear. So if you understand this problem, please like, share, subscribe. So 30,000 into 6 months used, that is equal to 15,000 and then we got 15,000 into 20%. So depreciation we calculate into 20%. So we got 3,000. So finally we result 3,000. Both added and get 73,000. This is the depreciation for the year. So we need to calculate it here for the year. So we see here calculated. So I hopefully understand it. So contract number 4 lakh first we call already planned delivered, so no need to deliver. So here no need one up given or no, so there is no scrap and everything, so no need to calculate depreciation. So further we calculate purchase new further plant was delivered, so book value 30,000. So book value, so after 6 months the plant value book value is 30,000. So that company has policy rate is 20%. On that book value we need to calculate depreciation. First of all we calculated 4,20,000. That is the plant value, actual plant value, and then book value. As per the book value we need to calculate depreciation only. The depreciation is calculated only book value as per the accounting standard 6. So depreciation is calculated based on book value. Okay. So book value of the plant was delivered rupees 4,20,000. So this is the delivered 4,20,000. After year ended for the March ending 31st December, we need to calculate based on book value. So end of the December, here is followed the calendar year. So 30,000 divided by 6 by 12, that is 15,000. 15,000 into 20%, that is 3,000. So we clearly understand. That is we got option 3. Select here. So this is the 73,000. We got the answer. I hope you understand. Book depreciation is calculated at year ended at the based on book value. So remember it. So before any 6 months or 8 months, we calculate only based on months. How much plant or machinery, whatever the asset will be used in the firm. I hope it clear. So like and subscribe for more related topics. Thanks for watching.